Attorney, maliban doon, meron pa ho ba kayong ginawang safeguard so that businesses or even individuals will not feel that supposed harassment that they've been feeling for many, many years?
Yes, Ma'am Pinky. Dati po kasi one of the complaints that we receive are the multiple LOAs. Meron po silang nare-receive na LOA for all internal revenue taxes except VAT. Meron pong VAT audit only. May iba't ibang LOA po nare-receive the taxpayer sa isang taxable year. But with this reform, we institute a single instance audit framework. Ano po si single instance audit framework? So as a general rule, isang LOA per taxpayer per taxable year. So yun po, Ma'am Pinky. Pero meron naman po siyang mga exceptions.
Okay.
These are, mga exceptions po natin are those transactional. Example po, one-time transactions na nagbilihan ng lupa. Example, may nag-request na tax clearance, ang nagpapa-cancel ng business registration, at syempre hindi po natin maiiwasan ang fraud cases
All right.
under the rate program ng BIR.